Hello, friends. Welcome once again to our series, the Thought series, episode number 3. As you all remember, we are talking about the 10 thoughts prevalent in Hindustani music. We dealt with the first 4 over the last 2 weeks. So today we are going to deal with the next 2 thoughts, Khamaj thought and Bhairav thought. So we'll start with thought Khamaj, a very popular thought. Lots of compositions based on rags originating from this thought. So let's first look at the scale of Khamaj thought. It has Ni Komal, that is the flatter Ni, and all the other swars are Shuddha. So something like Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. So Pa Dha Ni, that's the flatter Ni. So that is Khamaj thought for you. The most important rag originating from this thought obviously is Khamaj Rag, that is Rag Khamaj, originating from its parent thought, which is also Khamaj. So Khamaj Rag is most popularly sung as a semi-classical rag. If you remember, I had posted a couple of weeks back about the difference between a few of the semi-classical genres prevalent in Indian music, Thumri, Tappa and Ghazal. And to show that difference, I had chosen this rag and I had some 3 compositions based on this rag. So, which means Khamaj rag is predominantly a semi-classical rag, although there are some compositions in this rag which are like typical classical compositions, but more popularly this rag is a semi-classical rag. And of course it has a structure, so it goes like Sa Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. So this is the structure of Khamaj rag. And as I said, although it is a semi-classical rag, it has compositions which are typically classical in nature. So for example, this one, Sakhi main haar gayi Sanwariya so, Sakhi main haar gayi Sanwariya so, Sakhi main बिनती करत अब मानत नाही, मैं बिनती करत अब मानत नाही, मैं हार गई सावरिया सो, सखी मैं हार गई Sanwariya so. So this is one of the typical classical music style compositions, but the rag is, because of its nature, it being a semi-classical rag, so even when you are rendering a classical music composition in this rag, it definitely has touches of certain semi-classical aspects of singing because of the rag originally being a semi-classical rag. So that's the typical feature of not just rag Khamaj but the other semi-classical rags that are existent in our music. In the first episode we dealt with one such rag, which was Bhairavi, belonging to Bhairavi Thaat. So because of its semi-classical nature, obviously Khamaj rag has lots of light music songs in it. So a few popular ones like आयो कहाँ से घनश्याम ग म रे ग रे ग म प ध म ग. It's typical flow of the rag, the way it goes. रैना बिताई किस धाम पनि नि सा ध म ध प म ग. रैना बिताई किस धाम हाय राम आयो कहाँ से घनश्याम ग ग म रे ग रे ग म प प ध नि ध प ध म ग. The typical flow of Khamaj rag. So that's one, and then we have कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे ग म प ध नि ध प म प. लोगों का काम है कहना छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. The other very popular song, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना म प प ध प सा नि ध प म ग म प. नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी नी नी सा नि सा रे सा नि ध. तभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना देखो ना तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना. That's typical Khamaj at its best. So these are some of the very popular songs in Khamaj rag. A very lively kind of a rag, and so every rag has its own root expression, as we call it, or the basic mood of it. So Khamaj is one such rag whose basic mood is a lively mood, like a happy mood. So that's why you have lots of romantic songs and those kind of. पिया तो से नैना लागे रे ग ग म प म ग सा ग. जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे नैना लागे रे ग ग म प म नि ध प म. So that's typical progression of Khamaj rag. A few other rags that originate from Khamaj Thaat, about which we are talking today. Rag Des. Sa re ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga re ga ni sa. the national song Vande Mataram, that is based on Rag Des. Ma pa ni sa sujalam sare ni dha pa suphalam padhama gare malaya jashitalam Sasya Shamala Mataram Panidhapa. The typical flow of Des, Rag Des. And the other very popular Rag originating from Kamash Thaat is Rag Rageshri. Sagamadhani Sa Sanidhamagare सा कौन आया मेरे मन के द्वारे सानिध मग गमरे सानिध पायल की धनी सा गम जनकार लिए धम धनी सा धनी धम कौन आया मेरे. So that is Rag Rageshri for you, originating from Kamash Thaat. And then Rag Kalavati. Saga padhani da sa ni da pagani sa kahe tar sai sa ni padha jiyara gapada sa kahe tar sa. So that is Rag Kalavati for you, originating from Kamash Thaat. So there are of course lots of rags originating from one Thaat, as you must have figured out by now. Obviously we can't touch upon all the Thats, mainly because there may not be much of light music in those rags, and the main purpose of this series that we have started is to talk about as to how all the rags in classical music are very closely associated or connected with the popular music that people tend to hear more. And then when they know that, oh, this is based on a classical rag, so it's like a piece of new information for them, and they then realize that how deep rooted our light music is, and how deeply connected it is to classical music. And that is the purpose of this series, to make everyone realize this fact. So this is about Thaat Khamaj. Now we move on to the second Thaat of today, which is a completely opposite Thaat to how Thaat Khamaj feels, and that is Thaat Bhairav. Now Bhairav is a Thaat which is a very deep, very like a very devotional feel to it. It tends to have very somber, very deep kind of a Thaat. It has Re and Dha Komal, which is the flatter form of Re and Dha. So Sa Re, that's the flatter Re for you, the softer one. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha, Dha is the flatter one. Pa Dha Ni Sa. So that is Bhairav Thaat for you. And just like as we saw in Khamaj, the Thaat Khamaj, the main rag was Khamaj Rag. Similarly, in Bhairav Thaat, the main rag is Rag Bhairav, which is a very, again, like I said, a very deep rag, very meditative rag. And that's the rag that uh, many singers tend to use to do their morning riyaz. It is a morning rag, Bhairav. So, Ga Ma Re. So if you listen to this re, the way it sounds, it has a typical feel of like how you wake up in the morning, like Ga Ma Re. So it's almost like you're stretching. After we all wake up, we have a little bit of a stretch. So I feel that Bhairav, this particular note that I sang just now, brings out that sort of a feeling. Sa ga ma dha dha pa. So this dha that you heard, ga ma dha, that according to me gives a very devotional touch to it. So typically if you hear some music in the temples, you can probably associate this note with that sort of a music that you hear very early in the morning in temples. Ga ma dha pa pa dha ma pa ga ma re sa. Ga ma dha ni sa re sa dha dha pa dha pa ma pa ga re ga ma pa ma pa ga ma re re sa dha dha ni sa. So as I said, every rag has its own basic mood. So Bhairav obviously has a very devotional touch to it, and a typical waking up kind of a mood also. So a very popular composition that is sung in Rag Bhairav as a part of a classical music composition. Jago Mohan Pyare, Sanvari Surat More Man Bhave, Sundar Sham Hamare, Jago Mohan Pyare. Coincidentally, the same words and kind of a similar tune was used in one of the songs in a movie, and the song was sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji. Jago Mohan Pyare, युग युग से गीत पुकारे, जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे, जागो मोहन प्यारे. That's how the song goes. So as you can see, it's kind of very similar to the first line of the classical music composition that I sang. And so that is one of the very popular songs in Rag Bhairav. And of course the other very popular song in Rag Bhairav, again sung by Lataji, is Mohe bhool gaye सांवरिया सारे सारे गम गरे सा सा नि सा ध सा नि रे सा भूल गए सांवरिया सारे गम गरे गरे रे सा. So that is Rag Bhairav. But the most commonly used rag from this Bhairav Thaat for lighter forms of music is a rag called Ahir Bhairav, which is a slight variant of the Bhairav rag that you heard just now. So Ahir Bhairav is a very, very popularly used rag. If you were to ask me how come it was used more popularly than Rag Bhairav, not very sure about the reason though. I think it is just probably the combination of swars that attracted the composers to composing more compositions in this rag. So it's like Sare Gama Padhani Dhani Sa Sani Dha Pama Pagama Re Ni Dhani Re Sa. Now if you remember, when I was talking about Bhairav Rag or Bhairav Thaat itself, I said that it has Re and Dha Komal, that is, the Re is flatter and so is Dha. But in this Rag, Ahir Bhairav, Re is of course flat, that is Komal, but instead of Dha, it is Ni that is flatter and Komal. Of course, it still belongs to Bhairav Thaat because of its way of presentation. So Gama Re. Now this is a very common feature of the rags that originate from Bhairav Thaat. So obviously Ahir Bhairav has that feature, but it has Ni as the Komal, as the other Komal swar besides Re and not Dha, as is the case with Rag Bhairav. So Gama Re Sa Pucho Na कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई मधध निधनी पम ग रे सा एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता रे सा धनी रे सा सारे मगमा पमगरे एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता जुग बीते मुहे नींद न आई पूछो न कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई. And then we have the other popular song, मेरी बीना तुम बिन रोए गम पधनी धा पम रे रे नी नी रे सा सजना 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 मेरी बीना तुम बिन रोए. So that is that. And of course these two songs were a little bit on the somber side, but then you have songs like 16 बरस की बाली उम्र को सलाम ए प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम सलाम ए प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम. So now you remember sometimes that when you sing light music songs based on a particular rag, there could be some leeway for the composers to use some other swars that are not actually part of the rag, just to get the expression of the words better. So like in this song you have Salam e pyar. So that's a flatter g also that is being used in this particular song, which is not originally part of Ahir Bhairav Rag, but still the song is predominantly based on Rag Ahir Bhairav. And then there is a very interesting song based on this rag. You can call it like a patriotic song from the movie Phir Subah Hogi, picturized on Raj Kapoor Sahab, sung by Mukesh ji. Chino Arab Hamara, Ni 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 Sa Sa Re Sa, Hindustan Hamara, रहने को घर नहीं है, सा 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 सारे ग ग, सारा जहां हमारा, चीनो अरब हमारा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा. So it's a very interesting kind of a song. So that is Rag Ahir Bhairav for you, portraying various kinds of moods besides its basic mood of being a very somber rag. And then we have another rag, that is Rag Jogia. Sare ma pa dha sa re sa ni da pa ma pa ni da pa ma ga re sa. It's a semi-classical rag, Rag Jogia, but it originates from Bhairav Thaat. कह दो कोई ना करे यहाँ प्यार, सा 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 रे म म प ध रे सा. So that is Rag Jogia for you, originating from Bhairav Thaat. And of course, as I said, there are so many rags that can originate from a Thaat, but obviously it's difficult to talk about all the rags because of lack of lighter music presentations in those rags. So this is about Thaats, Khamaj and Bhairav that we talked about today. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, please do pass it on through the comments section of YouTube. I really wait for your feedback and your questions, especially. It would be really helpful for me, so as to find out if I could do something different to improve my presentations. So please feel free to send in your feedback and your questions. In the meanwhile, I'll be seeing you next Friday with the next set of 2 thoughts. Until then, stay safe and enjoy lots and lots of good music and good company. Thank you so much and happy listening.